What are you getting ready for? Nervous? Come on.
We have a special photo for you to sign
Oh,
too.
sick.
Thank you.
Getting big, man. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude. You guys local?
Yes.
Well,
About 15 minutes away.
sweet.
Thank you.
There you go, man.
What's up, guys? Good morning from Philly. Weather is a little hairy. We got a lot of rain yesterday. They covered the track though, so should be dialed. It's gonna shape up good if it doesn't rain at all today.
Cole, how do we think the whoops are going to shape up throughout the night?
Yep. Rough.
Jumpers or skimmers?
Skimmers. I'll skim until they can't be skimmable.
We've had, 3 jumpers in a row of races, so, and then last week with no whoops, but I hope they pack in and don't turn into jumpers so fast.
Well, I've been staying on the West Coast, Lake Elsinore. It's been nice weather, getting warmer now, and back here on the east, very, very cold. I mean, I got my hand warmers here ready to go, so yeah, looking forward to it. At least the track is dry. Actually, I don't mind the mud too, so I mean, we'll see. Hopefully we have a good day.
Tries to kind of back out of it. Does the running man straight into a belly flop. Hey, I think he saw Plessinger's celebration last weekend, and maybe he was trying to reenact it. There you see gloves off.
Well, I bet he's cold.
Yeah, ready to have some fun today. It's a little muddy, not bad. Had a little excursion in qualifying, probably slipped through the mud, but we'll just skip that. And yeah, on to the heat race now, and East-West Showdown, 6 million hell.
East-West Shootout, so heat race is basically a miniature main event, so a good start's going to go a long ways. It's going to be a lot of fast guys, so and the track's just a little bit tight. Hopefully the rain stops and we'll be pretty much a solid racetrack, honestly, and yeah, qualifying went good, got P3, so I got a good gate, picked up on myself in good position, so my goal is to go out there, try and get a good start and just stay up front.
How are you feeling out there?
Not the greatest, to be honest, but yeah, I ended up 10th overall in this one, which is not bad, but not what I was really looking forward to. But doesn't really count. What counts is now, the heat race and the main later on. So from what it could have been, I think I said in the last video in Seattle, like if it wasn't Brazil, we'd be on the muddy right now. So yeah, luckily the crew, their works did a great job. The track is really good for what could have been, and yeah, transitions are sketchy, but it's the same for everyone, and we all race the same racetrack, so just gotta do my best.
Basically the same as Enzo. Not feeling too well. Still, I got all the lines in the track down, just piecing everything together and getting ready for the heat.
Yeah, it's good. The track turned out actually pretty good. So just, yeah, I was 5th in the first one, 6th in the second one, so I'll take that. Just gate picked for the heat race, and yeah, just want to come out, make a statement in the heat. I haven't got a win yet in the heat, and that's one thing I want to check off. So I know I got to get a good start to do that, and yeah, just try and focus on that, and then yeah, I mean, we'll be around the corner.
I don't know. Qualifying, I don't know. I'm not much of a qualifying guy, so I'm 3rd. It's all right. Felt good towards the end of the session. Just started feeling my flow, but it is what it is. It's pretty gnarly because still able to go fast around it. So, but it's all right. It'll be good come the main.
Yeah, the track's a lot better. I couldn't get a clean lap in practice. There were just so many things happening, but yeah, I'm ready to go racing. I think it's going to be a good racetrack, and hopefully this rain holds out. I know it's sprinkling a little bit right now, but yeah, hopefully get lucky tonight. Yeah, so qualifying just wrapped up. Luckily the track is rideable, so we're riding, not rolling around this time, but yeah, it's raining a little bit now, so but hopefully it clears out and the track holds together. But good qualifying going into the heat, so excited for today and see where we stack up.
yeah, I would assume it's going to be a little bit slick, and it's pretty hard packed almost anyway. Like it's kind of a rocky, silty soil, so pretty hard on traction anyway. So this might make it a little bit more difficult. But P3 in practice, and yeah, that lines us up good for a good gate pick in the heat, and yeah, hopefully we can go out there and you know, have some good finishes tonight. I think we've had some a little bit of off weekends, so yeah, get back to the box with the goal.
Yeah, man, here in Philly, it's been an eventful day. Everybody's been stressing the rain, but so far it's been all right. Obviously, we don't have a mutter, which is nice. It's just a little slick, and some transitions are a little difficult. But other than that, it's been good. Still misting here and there, so hopefully it'll just kind of die off. But overall, way better than last weekend. And so far the day's been up and down. We had a little bike issue in the first one, but second practice was able to get a good lap, and Chase got me on the last lap, so I ended up P2. So feeling good, feeling spunky, and ready to get after it.
Best of the West Division are on the line. They'll race first, then the East races. Then we will go to the main event. These East-West Showdowns are fantastic. Let's do it Philadelphia style. Fresh from his first career win, the teenager from New Zealand is doing a nice job. And look at this inside move. Deegan's got him and got the lead. Haiden Deegan wins over his teammate, Cole Davies. This is the East Division race. Let's go, here in Philly. Back in fourth is Nate Thrasher, the Birmingham winner, and then his teammate from Monster Energy star Yamaha, Daxton Bennick, then Max Voland. And here he is, the two-time champion and points leader, Cooper Webb. He showed us it wasn't impossible. An incredible final lap. How does he go here in Philly? Blessing out, look at this! Taking the fight to Cooper Webb on the inside. This guy's confidence is sky high at the moment. Here we go, heat 2 of the 450s here in Philly. Sexton and Cooper. Chase got to the corner first. Cooper exits first. Hey Ricky, you mentioned at the top of the show that the last 5 races, oh no! Look at that! Justin Cooper gets jammed behind Hunter Schlosser, and Chase Sexton was in the right place at the right time just to say thank you and go right around the outside. 250 East-West Showdown here in Philadelphia. Drop the gate.
Oh, we've got a big crash here, and I'll throw it back to you guys.
To Michael Mosman. Oh, it's Daxton Bennick. So, ready to do it again. 250 made here in Philly.
Yeah, Cole's doing that in a few different spots. He's just run one line on the outside of the main line, and so putting up there.
Davies gets his teammate JT. Now Deegan comes back over the finish jump. Leaping by Seth Hammaker back into second. Deegan with a huge move.
What's great about
pass for the lead. Cole Davies. Cole Davies wins back-to-back races and this East-West Showdown ahead of his teammate Haiden Deegan.
Start passing people, and then I just started cruising. That ended well, man. Yeah, you know, it was a good race for me. You know, I kind of struggled all day. I got a bit pissed off. I don't know. I feel like qualifying's kind of just pissing me off a bit. You know, I just got to go out, think a bit harder about qualifying, just cruise around the track, because, you know, when I can't get a good lap, it's pissing me off. But, you know, I kind of got pissed off and rode good in the main, so I don't know. We'll see. You know, the last 2 races, I kind of changed my mindset, you know. I've kind of came in and wanted to, like, dominate these guys. I wanted to, you know, beat these guys, but, you know, I just came in and just changed my mindset a bit. Thought, sort of like, you know, it's just another race, you know, no pressure, just ride, you know, like I know I can, just focus on getting a good start, and, you know, it's been helping quite a bit. So I've been riding more like myself. So, you know, definitely getting strides forwards and building each weekend.
Yeah, honestly, my first start was good too, but someone just ran into my rear wheel. I'm like, bro, that's just annoying. Those dudes out there just sending it sometimes a little too hard in that first turn. I mean, a lot of those guys got nothing to lose, so that's kind of where I see it. But that first start, someone hit me in the swing arm and sent me right. I actually did have a pretty good start though, and then the second one, really good start. Freaking just left it on and outrode him into the corner, and I think that's what kind of pushed me out a little wide, and RJ slipped under, and then me and he kind of spun a little bit, and we ended up hitting in the air and almost went down. I don't know how I saved that. Literally God was on my side of that one because I don't know how that happened. But anyways, we just locked in, stayed humble, and that's basically all I got to say. P2 on the day.
What's it going to look like after this 450 main? Philadelphia, are you ready? Let's go!
I mean, I would think for the number 2 of Cooper Webb, James, that it is so important to make the same moves, get by the guys at the same time as Chase Texan and not let Chase get away.
Top 2 in the championship, finish in the top 2. Webb loses 3 points in his advantage over Sexton. 4 rounds to go, and it is still game on.
I got hit inside, and I swear I didn't mean to, man. I'm sorry. You alright? No, I'm good, yeah. Sorry. Man, we just all got pinched in there. Yeah. My bad, too.
Yeah, crazy main event, man. That start, almost went down there on the start, and so yeah, and me and Chase were right there buried, but together, so it was a mad dash to the front, and we made a lot of passes, that's for sure, and then yeah, he was able to kind of, I knew it was coming and what was happening. When he got to Kenny, I knew if he got around him, he could put some laps down, and that's what he did. So, but for me, it was overall a good main event. Definitely a little frustrated on some of my line choices, but and yeah, fired up at the end. I really wanted to win. So with that being said, though, we'll have a good week. Still got the points lead, and keep plugging away.